Okay. Good day guys, welcome again to my channel, and today I'll teach you how to play the song. The title of the song is I'm Not Okay by Deadfish. When I read the lyrics of the song, it feels like there is a person suffering from an incurable disease, but I don't know what the exact explanation of those lyrics. Let's start the tutorial guys. First I'll teach you the chords, then the strumming pattern, then follow me by playing the whole song. These are the chords guys. The first chord is the C minor at the 3rd fret, 5th string, index finger, then ring and pinky, 4th and 3rd at the 5th fret, then 2nd string, 4th fret, middle finger. Okay, C minor at the 3rd fret. This is the first chord. The second chord is the A flat at the 4th fret. Okay. Index finger here, ring, pinky, middle, 3rd string, 5th fret. Okay. C minor, A flat. Then the last chord is, I guess with a studio version, with those piano notes, they use the E flat over G. E flat over G, but this time we're going to use the E flat, the whole E flat. Okay, C minor, A flat, E flat over G, or the E flat, the whole E flat. Okay, C minor, G, A flat, then E flat. That's all guys for the chords. Let's proceed for the strumming pattern. This is the strumming pattern. Follow me guys. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. For every chord, the strumming is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, na na na, down, down, up, down, 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 up. That's all guys. Follow me. Let's play the full song. You could feel up.